Alright, y'all, we're going to run Connie's makeup brushes. There were 25 spots and $1 spot. Let's copy the list and go live at 9:46. It's 9:46. Let's paste our list. We have 25 spots, so we need a 4 or higher. We have an 8. Here we go for the first time at 9:46. After the first time, there are 25 items on the list with myself on top and on bottom. Die 6 and 2 calls for an 8. Here we go at 9:46. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, there are 25 items on the list. Tammy's on top, Anna's on bottom. We've randomized 7 times. Dice calls for an 8. Here we go for the last time at 9:46. Good luck. Or excuse me, at 9:47. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 13, myself, I have 1. There were 25 items on the list, and we randomized 8 times. Dice 6 and 2 did call for an 8. We are done at 9:47. It is 9:47. Dice called for an 8, 6 and a 2. We randomized 8 times with 25 items on the list. Spot number 13.